All right, all right. Good Tuesday morning. This is David. And hey, while I got your attention and I'm thinking about it, let's get the panhandling out of the way. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Couple of links in the description if you guys want to support the channel. That's greatly appreciated. And join me at 9 o'clock live. Catch some trades, make a little money, do a little chatting, some ranting. And then leave a comment if you like what's going on. Leave a comment if you don't like what's going on. I appreciate the input. So first thing we'll take a look at is what's going on in the news. We got housing starts and building permits, which is nice. I mean, it's going to have a little effect, but what are we waiting for? We're all waiting for the Fed announcement tomorrow, the rate hike decision tomorrow. Actually, I was speaking to a psycho broker, and he had no idea that tomorrow was the rate hike decision. So if you're going to trade, be in the industry. Know what's going on. Know what's ahead of you. And then after that, we got initial jobless claims going to be a big deal. But everybody wants to know what's going on with the Fed. 75, 50, who knows? You know what, man? You look around, things are bleak. There's a lot of headwind on the market. I think 50 is appropriate. And I'd like to see it. I mean, I don't know. I think the general consensus is 75. So if it comes in at 50, well, they could say, okay, it looks he feels everything's working, or the argument could be that he doesn't know what he's doing. He's coming in too late. But if he comes in at 75, then you got the other camp screaming that he's coming in too heavy. But that's it. That's what's in the news. You know what? Let's take a quick look at CNBC, shall we? What's their primary focus? Stocks dip. Yeah, this is always funny. 3 times yesterday I saw it change. Stocks low for some reason. Stocks high for another reason. And then it was low again. So ridiculous. Swedish central bank launches 100 basis point rate hike. Says inflation's too high. Well, yeah, welcome to the party. So a couple of downgrades. Yeah, there's nothing really. It's the Fed. It's all about the Fed, man. All about the Fed. So let's get rid of that. Let's get to it. We're looking at daily on oil, and we keep bouncing off or making a divergence right here, a bullish divergence. We got this nice hammer. I'm kind of bullish on all of this. I guess pre-market, we spiked and pulled back, retesting this line right here, this trend line that I was watching. But I'm going to feel bullish about it, see which way it goes. And it kind of feels like all the energy markets are moving the same way. Let's take a quick look. Here's nat gas. Got that nice little hammer. And yeah, I was thinking maybe a flag was building, but that last daily seems rather indecisive to a bullish lean, and I'm going to watch that. It's sloppy, but I'm going to consider it a hammer. Watch it. I'm neutral to bullish on that gas. But look, all of this is pending the Fed. Everything is pending the Fed. I mean, the whole vibe is going to change pending the Fed. But this is a good way to look at it today. What do we got? Net gas. Let's look at gasoline, RBOB. Yeah, I got that same hammer. I'm bullish. And gold. Gold's got a bear flag building. I'm feeling mighty bearish about the gold. Mighty bearish. It's good. Good sign. And then we did oil. Let's look at BTC. BTC. You know what? BTC is going to trade with the market. Oh, that's a weekly too. Let's roll out of that. Take a quick look at the daily. Yeah, we're testing the lows. We're in that channel. I moved up to the Z contract. Not a lot of volume in it. But we're testing that support at the low end of the channel. We had said, just put your channel lines in, your support and resistance, and you could rely on the break of either support or resistance. It's generally been a profitable trade. Oh, super. There goes my internet access. All right, it's a wrap. Come on, pull up. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. So the other software is up, so it's got to be this vendor. There we go. All right. So here on the ES, looking at the daily, a hammer off of some support. I'm looking for 39.50 today. I don't think much is going to happen. Probably going to be choppy, but I'm looking for 39.50 today. And what are we down? 21? We'll probably ease up into the open. This is what I'm feeling. But again, like I said, we got the Fed tomorrow, so take all this with a grain of salt. A grain of salt. And then Amazon. Amazon's got to be looking the same as the market. Yeah, it is, boy. Oh, look at that. That's a nice bar. That's encouraging. Probably going to close it. I'm expecting that Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla. I'm expecting that they all drag the markets up today. It's a good, strong close from yesterday. And if you're trading these, jump in at 9 o'clock and check me out live. We could talk a little bit about it and where the entries are for the intraday trades. Oh, I lose internet access again. Yeah, life off grid, baby. I'm in the boonies. Well, even the software is frozen. Just not in the stars. Oh, this is a daily. We looked at Google. I got today's bar in there. All right, looks like we're going to have a soft start. Still feeling. What? Oh yeah, that's yesterday's bar. All right, wow, that's a powerful bar. Yeah, I think the market's going to get dragged up today by tech. Let's look at Tesla, man. Tesla's interesting because it's doing its own thing. Oh man, look at this. All right. Schwab has decided that this broadcast is, oh, there you go. Stock gods look on to us favorably. Yeah, same thing. Watch this top resistance in this channel. Here's a bear move that failed. That's going to be a pretty bullish move, I'm thinking. So keep an eye on that. Breaks at 314, you take that move, or drill down into maybe a 30-minute chart, find a nice entry down here. I bet we'll see. Let's take a quick look at that, actually. See if we scope out a flag or something. Very simple, not very complex, my setups. Don't have to be a mathematician. Simple price action, a little momentum, and you make it money. Yeah, all right. I've had enough. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Every time I drop it down. Yeah, you could watch for a flag build in here. Which it's already happening. 307. You can find an entry on a flag right before that resistance. You catch that flag into that resistance, should have some energy. So, hey, that's it. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Catch us in the morning. Stop buying Chinese products. Start boycotting companies that are doing business in China. Before you know it, we'll be fighting a war in Taiwan. So, what more could I say? Join me at 9 o'clock. I appreciate all the support. Add some comments, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and hit the road.